Okay, so I was inside and I said to myself, I lost my noodle on something. But it turns into the other thing of like me going, when you trip out with anxiety, you start to look at all the other people around you and you go to yourself, those people are not exactly like how you imagine them. But the thing that killed me was, it reminded me, and I might have even made a post about that. Now, I knew two sets of twins, actually three or four, actually, but that's against the point. I didn't even bother with the other two, I just said reality is not real, not the issue. These two twin groups, this one is not possible in science outright. This one, they look exactly the same, they're from the same family and all that, 100%. The thing was, when you talk to them, they had different personalities. They're identical twins. Identical, they look the same. Their eyeballs had different colored flecks, and I said, "You an alien." Ask me why I would say something so crazy as to say, "You are an alien" to another actual individual. The answer was literally that. You don't make sense in the actual group context of being that person that you are. Now, you gotta act the same, you gotta look the same, you gotta have the story right. Your eyeballs, they had flecks in it while the other one didn't. Now, I can argue micro DNA, but I'm not a genomicist, so it doesn't make sense. Oh, my heartburn. One thing I do know for sure is that if one of them ever actually quits doing activity socially, like sports and stuff, they'll turn to a super fat person in like under a second. If they never do, I'm gonna go, "You an alien. You're the alien one because you actually got super fat." Unless you didn't. Either way, it's your eyeballs being different eyeballs as identical twins. So yeah, there's that. The other one just didn't make sense because you guys had two different hair. Your parents had no color that matched the genetic allele of your actual physical human body. You're not physically possible in the realm of science. And I said, you know what? I'm pretty sure you got dang, you're an alien. You're a fish person or something. I don't know. I'm leaving you alone. End of the discussion, end of the story, really, to me.